Hi, my name's Chris. Welcome back. If you're watching this, I assume you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not, you're going to want to go ahead and click subscribe, because this video is all about saying thank you to those of you that have subscribed over the history of my channel. So a few weeks ago, I hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm really proud of that. As far as YouTube channels go, I'm on the very slow growth progression model. It's probably because I've got some significant extended periods where I haven't posted any videos just due to work, life, stuff happens. It's okay, this is a hobby. I'm coming up on 1 million views, which is actually, for my number of subscribers, is actually pretty significant. There's a lot of other channels that have literally 10 times the amount of subscribers that I do, and then some, and don't even have 1 million views. So I'm very proud of that. And I hope that that's because you're finding some value in the content I'm producing. So I've got some stickers and a t-shirt that I'm gonna mail out to the winner, and then you'll receive a digital link to all of the plans and SketchUp files that I've produced. I've only got a few that are really production ready, but nonetheless, they'll all be yours. So how do you enter? Well, if you're already subscribed, you've already got one entry. And the second way you can enter is anybody that's ever commented on a video is entered a second time. Now, if you commented a bunch of times, you only get one entry for being a commenter on videos. Please, if you're gonna put a comment out there, I'll probably respond to you, so please make sure you pick a video where you can actually add value to that video, whether you have some experience on the topic that the video covers, or you have a suggestion, or even some genuine feedback about the video, the production, whatever. Just make sure that it's a value-added comment and not some kind of spam. And then the third way, and I'm really not seeking any subscribers through this giveaway, but if you refer a friend and you think that they can find value in this channel and they end up subscribing, and they comment in this video down below, you're gonna have to somehow link it to your name or username so that I can tell who you are through YouTube and actually give you a third entry. Otherwise, they'll just get the entry for being subscribed. So those are the 3 ways you can enter into the contest. I will announce the winner of the giveaway on Saturday, March 28th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, US. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and good luck to you. I hope this video finds you doing well. I know there's a lot going on out there with the whole coronavirus, and a lot of people are off of work or shut in, social distancing, whatever, spending some more shop time. But ultimately, I hope you are healthy and safe, and that you're doing well. My family's kind of sheltering in place, if you will, so I'm a full-time student right now for the next couple months, and my school just went 100% remote. So I remote in on computer every day, participate in my classes. So up until the last week, I was actually really busy with class. This past week was a little bit more of a step down from that. And that's why you haven't seen a video in the past couple weeks. But I've got one in the works right now. I've got a project actually right below me. My dust collection bin is getting an improvement, and you should see that out in the next few days. So next I'm gonna ask for your help. I'm gonna do another very similar giveaway once I hit 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers is really the next mark on the wall as far as opportunities that opens up with YouTube. The platform enables me to do some more things once I hit 10,000. I've got some goals associated with that. I'm not really going to talk about them right now, but really I need your help. And I'd like to continue bringing content that helps you maximize your shop space. So if you're interested in helping me out, really just share this channel with a friend that you think could find some value. Maybe there's a shop tip you found valuable, like some dust collection tips with a shop vac. Maybe there's something that you think is worth referring a friend to. Please do that. Help me get to 10,000. So anyhow, that's my next goal. I'm going to continue producing videos relatively regularly as I'm a student over the next few months. I should have a little bit more time to produce content, and I'll capitalize on that. I may do a lot of making of things, and I may stockpile some footage so that I can continue to release videos later on. But really, those are some of the goals I've got coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you about this giveaway on Saturday the 28th.